So as you know that, yeah, my name is Sangeeta, and I can say that, yeah, I am also in the same path. Okay, I can resonate with you. I am a mother of two wonderful children, and also means I was working as a software developer, but after my kids, so it was impossible for me to continue my job. So that's why I think I have to give my 100% to my family, and I think in that time it was my right choice. But now I think my means children are in growing stage, and I get time for myself. So I am thinking on it that I have to work for my career so that I can again start my career or again do any job. So that's why I'm preparing. And okay, about my English journey, I think last year 2025 I have started my journey, and it's going on, but sometimes I take some break due to other preparation. So just I think after a couple of days or couple of months I am here. I think for I think last from 2 months I did not shoot any video or I did not go for any conversation.
I think it happens, after having your kids, just to look after them, to take care of your family, it becomes very hard to go
Mm-hmm.
outside and do a job. Then I think we should find some way to, to give time for ourselves, to improve our skills, whatever interest we have, to, continue it with that. So I think being at home, we can do so many things to satisfy ourselves. The things which are left behind, we can continue those also along with, taking care of our family. So I think
Mm-hmm.
it's good. I think we also get immense satisfaction while doing something for
Mm-hmm.
ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So may I know what were you doing earlier, and what is your purpose in life? What do you want
Mm-hmm.
to do?
Yeah, earlier I was working as a software developer.
Okay,
In
okay.
yeah, I was from IT field, but now also I cannot decide that I will go for any job because I am not 100% satisfied to go or to join any company to go outside. So I think that if I will get a job means at remote, so it will be good for me. Means I can balance everything. I can check. I can give my 50% or 70% to my family, and also give my percentage to my job. But don't know what will happen. But I am not sure. I am sure that I will not go outside because it is
Oh,
very, yeah, it is very. It will be very tough tax for me to manage everything.
yes. How old are your kids?
My son, he is 9 years old, and my daughter she is 6 years old.
They both are quite young. You cannot think of
Mhm.
your, because even if we think of going outside, everything it will be in our mind that our kids will be in our mind. So it's better once they are grown up properly, then we think of going out. And
Mhm.
I think there are so many ways we can do if we have that passion. So why not to continue with that? And I feel like this platform is the best to restart
Yeah.
our journey. Yeah,
Mhm.
because as we always know, everybody knows it's a global language. So I think
Mhm.
first to start with anything, I think we should have a hold on it. After that,
Mhm.
we should fulfill our passion. So may I know from where do you live?
Yeah, I live in Noida, near you.
Okay, no.
Mhm.
Okay, okay. Wow,
Yeah.
that's great. Yes, even I am enjoying. I live in Faridabad near Haryana. In Haryana, I am also enjoying that place very much. Though it has
Mhm.
also become polluted, but not as much as in Delhi. Delhi has
Mhm.
been highly populated. Whether you and so many crimes are coming up in Delhi.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
recent,
Recently, yeah, the
we have.
children and the young ladies and also children are missing. So the
Yes, yes. They are
yeah.
getting abducted without any reasons. They are not reaching to their homes, and later on, their parents are coming to know. So I feel whatever God does, He always does for our good. Initially, we
Mm-hmm.
feel like, why is this happening? But later on, we come to know about His plan. Like initially, I was not very much happy to move from Delhi to here because
Mm-hmm.
it is my birthplace. But
Mm-hmm.
initially, I made so much hue and cry, like I don't want to go. But later on, I realized that whatever he does, we
Mm-hmm.
should always have a faith on his plan, whatever he is doing for our best.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, life teaches us a lot through so
Mm-hmm.
many experiences.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because in my experience, I thought that if you are in any area, okay, due to internet, you can means join to any people or you can join globally, right? So there is nothing that man, there is nothing impossible. If you can do something, you if you want to do something, so then it is possible due to internet. And in rural area also, you can access the internet.
Yes, yes, yes. And you come to know its magic, it's so many good features. If you, if you go back, if you
Mm-hmm.
go 15 years back, means if I go 15 years back, there was no such kind of facilities which we are availing related to net. If
Mm-hmm.
I talk about myself, I had not availed these kind of things which I'm availing right now, my children are availing right now. At
Mm-hmm.
that time we used to find it very hard if we used to speak any sentence in English, because there were at that times only newspapers and dictionaries and books. So
Mm-hmm.
even if I would have any kind of problem, I had to ask from someone. At that time, we did not have the facilities of phone or this kind of net system. So I
Mm-hmm.
think today's time is just a boon for us. So I
Mm-hmm.
think we all should have avail this opportunity
Yeah,
instead
sure.
of making excuses.
Yeah. You are saying 100%. I totally agree with you. Okay, so if you have
Yes,
any question or if you have any topic, then we will discuss on it. Otherwise, I have
yes,
something.
yes. Yes, if you have something, please continue.
Okay,
Continue with
okay,
that.
okay. So, what are the challenges? Because you are your children means I think you said that your children at class 9, right? So, what are the
Yes.
challenges you already faced when your child grown up, or you saw that means these things we have to make changes, we have to need something which we need to modify in ourselves, okay? When we think that yeah, we saw the children should do this or that, but I think before guiding them, before telling something else to them, first we have to clarify us that what are the messages, what are the things I am sending them, okay, is it good or not? Okay. So what are the challenges you faced and how you tackled all these things?
Yes, initially the biggest challenge in my life to handle twins, because I had twins. That was the biggest challenge for me, which I have passed through with so much of dignity. Though, in spite of my health issues, still I raise my kids with so much of care. And now they are 12 years of old. Yes, I can say, like, many times they come up to me and say, Mama, how much we are open up to you, our friends are not. So first of all, we should give our children so much of good environment so they don't feel hesitate
Mm-hmm.
talking about anything. So that's what I
Mm-hmm.
have done with them. They discuss each and everything with me, and that's what I like very much in our relationship. And
Mm-hmm.
yes, I think in today's time, parents and children challenges are these. I think these phones. I
Mm-hmm.
think if we make our child, if we want to make all-round development in our child, then definitely we should also, cut down on these. We should give less time to watch phones so that our
Mm-hmm.
children does not have any negative impact on that. Because children do not listen to our preaching; they
Mm-hmm.
always follow whatever we do. So I think we are the live examples for them.
Mm-hmm.
So they always, after their teacher, they always follow their parents. So
Mm-hmm.
I think we should be very cautious. What are we doing in terms of any work, or if we are talking to someone, what is our language, how we
Mm-hmm.
are talking to someone. Children are the one who always follow you. Like
Mm-hmm.
many times, if we say them like don't do this, don't behave like this, they immediately revert. You also do like this. So at
Mm-hmm.
that time, we don't to say. So I think if we want to make them a good person, good citizen, so I think we must bring some changes in ourselves. Only then
Mm-hmm.
we can expect to
Mm-hmm.
become a good person. Because to earn is not the greatest thing. I think to refine them, to become a
Mm-hmm.
better person is more valuable. Because
Mm-hmm.
everybody can earn money by studying or
Mm-hmm.
achieving a skill. How to
Mm-hmm.
make them a good person, good citizen is also, I think it
Mm-hmm.
also required. Because in future they have to go through, every parent want that they get happiness in life. But
Mm-hmm.
it is also a fact that they have to go through any kind of difficult situation, then at that time, how will they react? How will they deal?
We will make changes in ourselves, then they will judge you, and after that they will follow. Okay, it will be easy for them. Okay, so we
Yes,
as a
yes,
parent, we have to go in the right path so that they will follow it. If you will say
yes,
something, some negative thing about any other person, then they will say that, yeah, means they will also pass this negative things, right? So this is a
yes.
matter how the parenting or how the parents are. If the parents are good, then means automatically all the good vibes will go to their children.
Yes, yes. And
Mm-hmm.
definitely every parent thinks good about their children life, and everybody, thinks like this. But children have to, when they grow up, they have to go through many difficulties, many situations. So how will
Mm-hmm.
they deal? So
Mm-hmm.
I think definitely children are under our shelter, but we should not, every time we should give them liberty to
Mm-hmm.
take decisions yourself so that
Mm-hmm.
they don't find difficulty in future. That's why we hear so many suicide cases. Children go into depression just because of low marks. They cannot deal with all these kind of difficult situations. So
Mm-hmm.
I think it's a parent's duty, parents and teacher. We should not pressure the children. We should give them liberty to take decisions yourself, so that at early age they get that little confidence that we are
Mm-hmm.
also capable to take decisions and think good of our life. So I think parents have a big role in shaping up of their children life.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. And also, I want to say that if means in my perception, okay, percentage is not a matter. Okay, if your child not getting the percentage what you are thinking, okay, it is good. Okay, you can try and you can motivate him that, yeah, you can do it, or you can try it again so that you can achieve. Okay, what are the marks or what are the results you have. But literally, or I don't follow the percentage rule. I think that if they have basic fundamentals, if they know their what are the syllabus they have, if they have the basic things, then it will be good. Okay, I will not go for the percentage. What means what their classmates have any percentage, so I don't consider it. I think that, yeah, if you have enough knowledge about it, about the topic, about the environment, about the things, what are the things which are going around ourselves, so it will be good, it will be okay. And also I want to add here another point. If so many parents are there, okay, and I also, we always focus studies, right? If they have something interest, something different, okay, beyond the syllabus, beyond the school, so then we should motivate them to do that things, right? And we should take care of all these things that they will go for other sides. Means if so many children are there, they are good at means art, okay, and so many arts they are good at sports or dance, something else. So we should motivate them so that they will go for all these things. But if we will only focus on the studies, means you have to clear, you have to secure this percentage, then I think it will pressurize them to achieve the
Yes,
mark,
yes.
right?
Yes, because many times, we parents have the tendency to compare marks. Like you have
Mm-hmm.
scored very less, your friend have scored very high. How come this possible? You are always with your friend and see. So I think this comparison is the worst thing. Every
Mm-hmm.
child has their own capability and capacity. So I think we should not, judge the child on the basis of it.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you are very much right. Percentage number does not matter anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
And it's not the time of studies only. You are very much
Mm-hmm.
right. After judging any kind of skill or talent which your child possesses, after judging that, if we just try to develop those talents, so it would be very good
Mm-hmm.
for his future. So I think that's what I have been, started doing. Like one of my daughter is very good in yoga. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking to put her in yoga, and one of them is very good in art. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm thinking like now they're in eighth class, they will reach in ninth. Ninth is, I think it's a big class.
Mm-hmm.
Till eighth, you can still think like they are doing it, but
Mm-hmm.
in ninth, I'll have to take it very seriously. But definitely, I'm not thinking of only their studies. I'll definitely give them time for themselves also to, to
Mm-hmm.
show your talent, because both of them like these activities very much. So
Mm-hmm.
I think this is not the time of only studies. If a
Mm-hmm.
child is so talented in some particular skill or activity, you should definitely, focus. You should definitely, what to say, always, what to say, I'm trying to say a word that I'm forgetting. You should, you should always try hard to every time provoke your child to do best in
Mm-hmm.
the skill, because this is the
Mm-hmm.
only thing a child become creative also, innovative
Mm-hmm.
also. So I think we should always try to focus on skills also, on children's skills also. That is
Mm-hmm.
very necessary.
Yeah. And also if they are in higher classes, I think 8th, ninth, or 10th, okay, and if they have some skills, then it will be also very good, because when they will only read or only write, or they are in study, so they will become monotonous, right? They feel monotonous. But when they have some extracurricular activities, then they get time for that, and their mind will be free, right, after doing that. Yeah, after completing 4 or 3 to 4 hour studies, then they just engage their mind in that curricular activity. It will be good if we parents what we say that, yeah, if my children, okay, and they spend for 3 to 4 hours daily, then we think that, okay, go and watch TV, or just we give them phone, okay, you can use for 10 minutes or 15 minutes. But I think that if they will not use phone, okay, and they will engage themselves in any curricular activity, then it will be good.
Yes, yes. But even after doing that activity, still they want phone for 10 minutes. So I think this has become, even if they want it for 10 minutes, but they do want it.
Yeah, yes, sure. Because this is the internet era, and in this era, okay, every person, if they have any skill, so they can achieve. Okay, what are the mindset? What are the earning for? Okay, if they want to achieve, then they can achieve. And also, I want to add here. Okay, my children, okay, they are also so much interested to means use phone. Okay, but I think from last 1 or 2 years before, just we decided to give something so that they will engage themselves to any other curricular activities, and they will not get time for phone, and they will not use phone. So by deciding all these things, literally it means it helped me, helped us a lot, because they are not means they are not telling that, yeah, give us phone, or we will use phone. Only they will use phone if I will means give them, because there are so many things, means there is the ERP school mails are also coming, okay, so for that, just I give them, and I say that, yeah, you can check it, and after that I take it, okay. And they never use phone. Sometimes when means if we are sitting together, then something if I am watching something or some videos, then they will, or it means together we will watch any video in phone. But if they are sitting alone, so they will not means tell that, yeah, mommy, please give me phone, or I will not give them phone, okay. Just we follow some rules, and to giving them phone, it is my responsibility, because when my, okay, my son was very in early age, okay, I just gave him phone, that just watch the phone or watch any video, then I will feed you, right? So at that time, it will be easy for me, because when my children watch any video, then just what are the meal or what are the food I will want to make them eat, so then it will be easy for me. But after that, after 5 or 6 years, it will be very difficult, because they are so busy in phone. And it was very difficult task for me how to handle all these things, because they are only was to video anything else in phone. They don't want to watch video in TV, okay, on TV. So it was very challenging task for me. After that, we decided that we have to do something so that they will not use phone, and it worked for me or for my family. So after that, they don't use any phone. And in future, I don't know what will happen, but we have some restriction that, yeah, you will use your phone for any for studies only, okay, and they don't play any game, nothing else.
Yes, because that's very good if you have succeeded in your purpose. So that's very
Mhm.
good. But yes, every parent want to, get rid of this habit. but it's very difficult, especially, at least even my children are not very prone of phone, but in whole day they definitely want it, in the morning for 10 to 15 minutes, and in the evening for 10 to 15 minutes after coming back from tuition or after coming back from school. So they want it for 10 to 15 minutes, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it has become children routine, because we cannot, because so many activities, so many syllabus are all coming on phone after
Mm-hmm.
Corona. It has
Mm-hmm.
become, phone has become an integral part of our life. We cannot, we cannot tell children you just keep away from phone, don't
Mm-hmm.
touch phone, because so many activities, so many kind of homeworks are coming on phone. So it's not possible. So I think if children are watching, at the in a safest zone, I think it's okay, because
Mm-hmm.
our work is also through phone. We cannot stop children every time. Then they
Yeah,
will
yeah.
revert. You are also
Mm-hmm.
touching phone. So I think if they
Mm-hmm.
are watching it in a limited mode, so it is
Mm-hmm.
okay until and unless their eyes are affected. So it's
Mm-hmm.
okay just to change themselves. Yes, definitely. I also insist them to watch TV more instead of using phone, because it
Mm-hmm.
affects their eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Already I have twins, so one of them has specs, so I'm always, very much concerned about their eyesight. So
Mm-hmm.
definitely TV is the safest. TV is more safest than phone. So I
Mm-hmm.
feel like, if they just avoid phone, it's more good. But somehow I am not able to succeed as much as you have succeeded. But I will also try like you have tried.
Mm-hmm.
So what activities are have you put into them?
Mm-hmm. First, means after watching that, yeah, they are so much interested in badminton. So then we thought that, yeah, if they will busy in that, means if we will join any academy, them, so then it will be effective, because they will be busy in that, and during this period they will not get time. Okay, and after coming to home, so they will be tired. Right, so just we have to. They will eat something after that. Only for they go for studies, then they will sleep, and it worked for me. And also we just keep all our phones silent. Okay, if we parent use the phone, then definitely use our phone, right? So we keep all our phones silent when they are with us, right? And when they come from school, or after when they go to the school, after that we use and we check what are the missed calls, what are the messages we have, then we check all these things during that time. I am not saying about this time, because now they don't use phone, so yeah, now we can use anytime. Not anytime means basic purpose, because I am not so much interested to use phone. Means only I use phone for any for checking any mails, for messages, only that. Okay, so I don't like to use so much, means I don't like to spend so much time in phone. So just we keep all the phone in silent, but we have the keypad phone like before. Okay, if there is some emergency call, then we can receive that phone. Okay, so they don't get that phone, and they just saying that where is the phone, why we cannot see the phone. We say that, oh, maybe there is some means some thing happen, or some mishappen, so we cannot find the phone, or there is some error, so that you cannot get the phone. Okay, and means I one thing I want to also say, we had one TV, and we thought that it was means some error or something else. Okay, so it was not working properly. Then we thought that to buy another TV, and when we bought another TV, then the old one was working good. Okay, so when they grown up, their choices are different. One is interested to watch some video, and the other one is interested to watch another video. So in that time also it was very difficult. So when watching any video, so my son was watching one video, then my daughter, she was saying that, yeah, give me phone so that I will watch another video, because I don't like that video. Okay, who the my brother who was watching that video, so I don't like, so please give me phone. So we said that, no, go to another room so you can use the TV. Okay, but we cannot provide you phone, because they are so busy in that phone. So we are so much means furious, that means how we will keep away from the our phone from them. So it will be very difficult for us, but it worked very means we can say that nicely. And after that, laterally, gradually, and it worked fine. And they only, when they get time, only they get 10 to 15 minutes or maximum 20 minutes, okay. They will watch only TV. After that they don't get time, so that they will busy in TV or something else.
Okay, that means you are the happiest mother at that time.
Yes, because I had headache. I did not know how to handle this situation. Then I go for so many YouTube videos that how to means how we can change this habit, how they will away from the phone. But after that, after lots of research, then we found out that first we have to keep the phone away from them. Then it will work.
Yes, 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 definitely. This is the reason I'm also planning to put them in some activities so that they don't get time, spare
Mm-hmm.
time to watch phone. Whatever time they get, they just get busy doing their homework or whatever work they have got from tuition. So I
Mm-hmm.
think we are the only ones who can either spoil their life or make their life. It's up to us how we are
Yeah.
handling them. So
Mm-hmm.
for this, we need to sacrifice, we need to sacrifice ourselves also.
Yeah.
If we
Mm-hmm.
watch them, don't make them to watch phone. So it is our responsibility also to stay away from phone.
Yeah.
If until and unless it is not related to our work. So I think it depends on us also.
Yeah.
And do you have regular meetings with their teacher also about their progress?
Yeah, there is Paytm, okay, but honestly, I want to say I don't follow the Paytm because I know my children's progress because I teach them, right? So I know where there is lack or there is progress. But sometimes I wanted to go there because to talk with them so that I know that, yeah, because my son, he is very introvert person. He does not like to means talk with his friends. So that's why I thought that, yeah, if he will be good in that class, or he will he will participate in any activities, then it will be good. So that, so for that, just I talk with her, means his teacher, class teacher. Otherwise I think that academic, I know that where is his progress and where is his lag and why he is lacking. I know everything, okay.
Yes.
And I also check his all the notebooks and books also. So I know everything. So but sometimes I go to them and ask them, or tell means what is his progress, and he is talking with his friends good, or he is participating in all the means activities. So ma'am said, yeah, okay, but still he is need some improvement, means he is less talkative, so you have to work on it. So we say that, okay, we will work on it, but I think gradually it will work. Okay, suddenly we cannot say that it will improve.
Yes, yes. Same situation is with my children to judge their nature, to judge that progress, especially attend their PTM because they are good in study wise. In studies, I have no problem with that. They both are quite introvert.
Mm-hmm.
They both are in the same class. If they are together, then they talk a lot. When it or they have made their specific friends, one or two friends. The whole day they are just busy. They are so I feel I want to make them little, no, if not extrovert, little ambivert, so that
Mm-hmm.
they can get mixed with each and
Yeah.
everyone. Just
Mm-hmm.
because of that, I go to each and every PTM to know about their behavior, progress. So many times I get to listen this. They know the answers, but they do not respond. I
Yeah.
have to make them stand. Please
Mm-hmm.
answer. Please answer. I want to get rid, I want to remove that hesitation in them. So
Mm-hmm.
how to remove that? I just attend each and every PTM so that I come to know what are the different ways so that they come out of their shell which they have made around us.
Mm-hmm. Same thing also
It's
happened with,
necessary.
yeah, same thing
Mhm.
also happened with my child, because if he knows the answer but he will not stand or he will not speak, uh, when his teacher will ask him, then he will give the answer, otherwise he will sit quietly.
Yes, today is the time of, a child should be all rounder, not in
Mm-hmm.
terms of studies only. He should be all rounder in all kind of activities, debates, what is
Mm-hmm.
given to them. So
Mm-hmm.
when ma'am says, then they are interested in different to participate in activities, but they themselves never go and tell them to take us in that activity. Never. So I have been So I have given this responsibility to their teacher, but teacher have so many students to look after. So
Mm-hmm.
I think it's children duty also now to come out and to explore themselves. So that is
Mm-hmm.
my basic motto, how to make them little more extrovert. So I
Yeah.
think with time, I think, sometimes as parents, we become so much concerned about these small things. But I
Mm-hmm.
think with time, children gain this confidence. We
Mm-hmm.
should not be worried too much.
Yeah, so I also agree with you because I don't give so much pressure to him because I think that yeah, if when he will feel that yeah, he have some means something or some skills so that he will be very freely or he means he removes all the hesitation, I think. Okay. Okay,
Mhm.
so we can discuss the topic extrovert or introvert and how we will remove all these things. Okay, in I think next video if we will get chance, right? And we don't have so much time to extend this session.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
But we had something very wonderful to discuss, and I think the viewers will watch this. They will definitely gain something from this video.
Yeah, so
Thanks a lot for
yeah.
connecting.